have two types of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration is the type of respiration which takes place in the presence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration, the glucose food is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water by oxidation. And here considerable amount of ATP molecules is produced. We have already discussed about ATP and ADP in my last video. You can go back and check my earlier video about the discussion on ATP and ADP for better understanding. Here you can see that in aerobic respiration, one molecule of glucose produces 38 energy-rich ATP molecules. Now this takes place in the mitochondria of cells. So mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration in the cells. Anaerobic respiration is the type of respiration which takes place without the use of oxygen. The microscopic organisms like yeast and some bacteria obtain energy by anaerobic respiration, which is also called fermentation. So the breaking down of glucose or food during aerobic respiration carried out by yeast can be represented as follows. So here you can see glucose finally breaks down to produce 2 ATP molecules. Anaerobic respiration can sometimes take place in our muscles. For example, anaerobic respiration takes place in our muscles during vigorous physical exercise when oxygen gets used up faster in the muscle cells that can be supplied by the blood. When anaerobic respiration takes place in human muscles, then glucose is converted into lactic acid with the release of small amount of energy. The equation is as follows. So here you can see that glucose finally breaks down to form 2 ATP molecules and also lactic acid is formed. So this sudden buildup of lactic acid in our muscles during vigorous physical activity can cause cramps in our muscles. During heavy physical exercise, most of the energy in our muscles is produced by aerobic respiration. Now, anaerobic respiration in muscles provides only some extra energy which is needed under the conditions of heavy physical activity, like running very fast or running for a very long time. The anaerobic respiration by muscles brings about some partial breakdown of glucose to form lactic acid. This lactic acid accumulates in the muscles and hence we get muscle cramps in such conditions. So we can get relief from cramps in muscles caused by heavy exercise by taking a hot water bath or a massage, because it improves the circulation of blood in the muscles, and thus due to improved blood flow the supply of oxygen to the muscle increases, and this oxygen breaks down the lactic acid accumulation in the muscles into carbon dioxide and water and hence gives us relief from cramp.